This is Investment Perspectives with Brad Kimes. Daily live streaming interactive. Featuring Mrs. Backup. Subscribe, hit the notification, smash the likes. Now, here's Backup Brad Kimes. Come on in.
Welcome back to Investment Perspectives, everybody. I'm Brad Kimes. You can follow me on Twitter above on top of the screen there at Backup Bradley, and everything we're talking about here. This is really, I've had quite a few people send me this news this morning, and I want to thank all of them for sending that through. Let's go ahead and get right to this. The world's first gold-backed digital gold currency launched in Gulf Cooperation Council, Middle East, and Africa. It also cites Asia and India as well. We're going to talk about that here in a second, but right now, let's go through this article for a second here. So Dubai, United Emirates, Arab Emirates, IBMC, Financial Professionals Group, an internationally recognized financial services institution and businesses consultants, has joined hands with U.S. gold currency and block fills to bring the world's first monetary gold-backed digital gold currency to the Gulf Cooperation Council, known as the GCC. The Middle East and Africa. The currency is also being simultaneously introduced in India. For this, the IBMC has partnered exclusively with U.S. Gold Currency Incorporated, the issuer of the U.S. Gold digital currency, and BlockFills, the transaction platform provider. Just so you know, too, BlockFills is basically a huge platform for institutional buyers, and they sell and do aggregate prices for cryptocurrencies, and they sell large block size orders in digital assets. So that's who BlockFills are. And let's just get back to this for a second. So it says here, each U.S. gold currency is backed by U.S. American Eagle 1 ounce gram of gold, or 33.93 grams gold coin minted by the U.S. federal agency, U.S. Mint. The holders of the currency can redeem their digital assets as physical gold or in U.S. dollars anywhere in the world. IBMC is introducing the digital asset to customers ranging from retail to corporate investors, banks, financial institutions, and sovereign wealth funds to treasuries and asset-backed management companies. The U.S. gold digital currency was launched on June 22nd from Dubai at a specially designed IBMC hybrid event. Chairman of IBMC Financial Professionals Group and CEO Managing Director of IBMC Financial Professionals Group, with the virtual presence of officials from the U.S. Gold Currency, Asia Africa Development Council, GSEF, and BlockFills USA. Since we've seen demand for gold in USG is an initiative and a unique digital currency backed by the American Eagle 1 ounce gold coin, today's global economic climate has further increased the demand at institutional and retail levels. We are very happy to join hands with U.S. Gold Currency and BlockFills in bringing the world's first monetary gold-backed digital gold asset to the GCC, Middle East and African markets, in addition to the India, said Ahmed Al-Ahmad. Let's see. Consumers and businesses benefit from secure digital asset tokens that is not subject to volatile swings of the markets. From the opportunity and easily exchange their digital currency into tangible asset monetary gold coins produced by the U.S. Mint. With the launch of the digital currency, investors in GCC, Middle East, Africa will have significant opportunities to reduce the cost of their transactions, as well as have the flexibility of the time of making payments. A customer can log in and secure user ID and password on trading platform for buying and redeeming the coins, tackling the adverse economic effects of the pandemic. The launch of the digital gold currency will enable companies in developing countries settle their intercompany transactions without paying extraordinary fees. And let's see, Deputy Director General, Asia Africa Development Council, as a vital transport currency. It will to a large extent help reduce and eliminate risk in business, he added. Larry Debris, director of U.S. Gold Currency, said, "We are honored to be working with the leaders of IBMC and their esteemed team of professionals, gold has been one of the most significant legacy asset classes throughout history. Just as everyone has written gold off, saying it is outdated and no longer relevant, U.S. gold currency created the USG, forming a futuristic and modern gold asset class for the 21st century by marrying monetary gold with blockchain. USG is the real digital gold. Each USG token is backed 1-to-1 with an underlying physical gold coin, the U.S. American Eagle, which is created and distributed by the U.S. Mint. Therefore, the USG token holders can redeem their token physically for gold coins should they choose to forego the digital asset in their wallet. Token holders can also sell the USG on the open market through various digital asset exchanges or through block bills in exchange for US dollars. USG can also be converted into several other digital assets, including BTC, ETH, and USDT, and more. The U.S. government division, the U.S. Mint, sets the price of the underlying physical gold coin once per week on Wednesdays. USG pricing follows this publicly available government set price. IBMC Financial Professional Groups is always committed to introducing innovative and credible services to their investing public. USG is easy to handle without customer barriers, easy to hold without country restrictions, paying insurance costs or storage charges. USG is U.S. regulated and fully online with easy account opening and operating procedures, enabling customers to avail all services of USG from their homes or office, which of course is an added advantage in the current pandemic period. Okay. Financial Professional Group, IBMC, had said. So, and I'm not saying their names because I don't want to mess their names up, and shout out to them and much respect. I just know I'm going to train wreck it if I try to announce it or pronounce it. So, okay, so let's go to here. The professional team of U.S. Gold Currency, IBMC Group, and Blockfills will pave the strong network and base of the innovative digital asset ecosystem and flat pairing to generations. Blockfills, a global leader in liquid provisions of digital assets for professionals and institutions, and leading institutional market makers, provide liquidity for the USG digital gold currency. USG is backed by U.S. monetary gold coin to ensure true value currency. All classes of investors, including exchanges, treasuries, banks, financial institutions, corporates, HNIs, and retail investors, are permitted to invest in USG. USG, the blockchain security verified currency by the authority Certic USA, partnering with IBM and Ethereum Foundation, will also ensure the credibility and security of USG. IBMC Financial Professionals, having strong market presence in GCC, Middle East, India, and Africa, is ready to place the USG to customers through IBMC Global Network. IBMC's market reach and network will ensure adequate support and services to our global retail and institutional customers. Okay, so now looking here, it says, we're going to take a look at this site here in a second. It's pretty powerful to see the stuff that's there. Bringing the USG digital asset currency to the public markets is a result of a great partnership that we have with the U.S. gold currency and the IBMC. Over the past year, we experienced a growing demand for gold as gold asset. Today's global economic climate has further increased that demand. We look forward to building a thriving business through our value partnership with IBMC and U.S. Gold, said Mike Pearson of Blockfills. IBMC hybrid event was virtually attended by many different people. The U.S. Gold Currency USA, Mr. Lawrence S. Debris, Principal, U.S. Gold Currency, and others from Asia Africa Development Council, and people from signatory to the United Nations Global Compact. So definitely very interesting stuff that we're seeing here. Okay, now here's what I'm going to do. Let's go now to the website here of U.S. Gold Currency, and let's take a look at this, because this is pretty interesting stuff here. So we created U.S. Gold Token to provide an option in the world of digital assets that is both stable and backed by a hard asset. Consumers and businesses benefit from secure digital asset token that is not subject to volatile swings of the market, and from the opportunity to easily exchange their digital currency into a tangible asset, monetary gold coins produced by the U.S. Mint. We have created a safe, stable, and convenient mechanism to allow a new set of payment systems which are completely scalable and operate everywhere in the world. The USG currency stabilizes the financial systems that use it. Most financial systems, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and government-issued fiat currencies, are based on trust. In contrast, USG currency is 100% backed by monetary gold and will always have a 1-to-1 exchange ratio with the American Eagle 1-ounce gold coins issued by the U.S. Mint. Now, let's take a look here. USG tokens are monetary gold coins backed digital assets issued and administered via smart contract on the Ethereum decentralized blockchain. USG tokens are direct representation of gold American Eagle 1-ounce coins issued by the United States Mint. This is remarkable. USG tokens may be redeemed at any time for physical gold coins. The state of Wyoming is a leader in transformational legislation providing unparalleled business landscape to blockchain and digital asset infrastructure companies within these emerging sectors. Let's take a look at another section here of the site. Now, US Gold token is the issuer of the USG token. Each USG digital asset and then direct representation of American Eagle 1-ounce gold is minted in the US. Let's see here. Each US gold token is backed by the American Eagle, minted in the US, redeemed by physical coin. Our digital asset is a utility token with a stable value by design. It is a true virtual currency, ideal for global payment system and a safe haven in volatile markets. Okay, now let's keep moving here, because right now what you see, it is also securely vaulted, redeemable at any time. USG is digital currency, 100% backed by monetary gold currency. Current supply 100,937. Current price stable at $2,375. Market supply 10 million. Here we see 100% gold coin backed. Each USG token is backed by an American Eagle 1-ounce gold coin mint, creating a unique stable blockchain currency. Accurate blockchain ledger deliver security and transparency. Blockchain currencies provide instant access and convenience. Real gold backing maintain unmatched stability. 100% stable value token. It talks about here, our tokens are equally matched to the United States Mint published. Our tokens are perfect overnight safe haven for cryptocurrency day traders. Our tokens are the safe alternative to volatile market conditions. You may redeem the USG tokens at any time for physical American Eagle 1-ounce gold coins that are directly represent. American Eagle gold coins are real currency. The U.S. gold currency tokens are also real currency. Stable value tokens backed by gold, the ideal blockchain currency for everyday use. Now, let's look at here, and it shows the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum with the volatility, and then this for U.S. gold. Pretty remarkable where we're going here. This is something that I found to be quite remarkable as well. It is registered in the United States with Treasury, FinCEN, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, MSB registration number there. Also, as I said before, licensed in Wyoming. And it is accreditation with the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. This is remarkable. I don't know about you guys, but I have to tell you, there's a lot more information that we need to find out. But, I mean, is this related to Judy Shelton and her idea of we could go to a gold and a cryptocurrency sort of way on a new system? The other thing I'm reminded of here at this time too is that, not long ago, Ethereum was recently at a Denver hackathon, was made interoperable with the ILP and the XRP ledger. I tell you, things are moving quite quickly here. They really are. And knowing that with all of this, just yesterday, we also covered the fact that Brian Brooks from the OCC, which is a regulatory body connected to the Treasury, the Office of Comptroller of Currency, the head of the national banking system, is about to release this fall a charter, a federal charter for licensing of money service providers, virtual asset service providers, so we can have a more uniform approach instead of this state by state approach. You know, these things are starting to show up in many different areas where, first of all, the things that are happening at a level of government and regulation that are very exciting to me. The fact that this is a US minted coin that has been tokenized on blockchain, whether it's Ethereum or not, is exciting to me, because I think there won't be just one to rule them all. And I think somewhere in the shape of this, what you're doing is that you have to remember other countries have minted gold coins as well. And look, if we're talking about where's the total supply? Here it is right here. So we're talking about the current supply is 100,937. Current price right now stable at 23.75. And the total market supply at that, then let me see here. The current value of a gold American Eagle coin is $13.56, while the value of 1 ounce of pure gold is currently around $12.95 is what it's saying. But I don't know that that's actually accurate here. So let me put this in current, because I thought gold was at around 17 or 18. Let's take a look real quick. So I think gold's current price right now, okay, because gold per ounce right now is at $17.79. So that's actually inaccurate about the gold American coin price, I would imagine. So 1 ounce gold Eagles, let's see what that price is going for right now. So price of gold $17.78, and gold American Eagles right here running about $1,800, almost $1,900, right? So it's interesting because when you come back to this and you see where the price of this stable coin that is backed by the American Gold Eagle, right? The price of this coin is $23.75, which is much higher than the actual gold American Eagle. So this is remarkable, and we're only talking so far about it opening up to, the Middle East, Asia, India, right, and Africa markets. So there's a lot of other countries in the world here still. So this is pretty exciting stuff, and I think it's rather interesting too that they've set the market supply at 10 million. It would appear to me that, there's a lot more conversations we need to have here, but this is exciting for me, and shout out to Ethereum and what they've managed to connect to this network and use their smart contracts for this. But there are a lot of questions now that are really developing, and it's very exciting. It is very exciting. I mean, if you ever wondered if the wind was behind us as a market, I think it certainly is. There's no question about it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I just wanted to share the news. You have any thoughts? You have any ideas about this? Put it in the comments below this video, and make sure you share this with somebody you know. I'll catch you guys on the next one.